Hello everybody, this is Roxy. I have a new the August kit from Your Creative Studio from Amanda. Thank you so much, Amanda. Just covering up my, almost said license plate, my address. So as usual, it's going to be pretty cool. I did open it just to peek because I couldn't wait. Okay, so this is her new tissue paper. I thought it's kind of cool. So that's fun to use. And she always has a card. Thank you so much for your purchase and your support for the small business. And then she has music, you know, kind of the description of what it is. So that I like to use these kind of in, or I've been using them in my little journaling that I make. So here we go. Let's get into it. What I'm going to do is take this whole thing out. I lost one. Okay, I found that. Rolled right off onto the floor. So this is music. And let's see what we got. Some nice little stickers. Really pretty. The stickers, she always makes a sheet of her own. Those are pretty cool. Looks like she took, I don't know, maybe what's in here. It's got some stickers. This is so cool. I wish we still had incandescent light bulbs instead of those dumb fluorescent ones. I think those are, yeah, sticky notes. Very cool. Some washi. This already kind of was off. Oh, it's all numbers. Cool. It's a nice color. I like that. And then another washi. These are always really fun. She has a, where's the thing? She has a skinny little white cream with black design on it. Just about every box I've gotten. So it's kind of nice to have a variety of that same kind of, yeah. This is mushrooms. It's a little book she made. Ooh, cute. Her first kit had a little, I didn't get it, but it's on her website. A little tiny tin made out of suede. Oh, look at how cool. I think we just gotta get that on there. Cute. Oh, that's cute. Cool. I'll have to get that taped on better. A nice stamp set. Okay. Oh, it's cool. It says trumpet players. Those are cool. Real jazz age. Ode to Joy. Fun. Cool. This is so cool. Music sheets. Oh, cool. The variety pack. That's cool. This will be cool for Christmas. get about 5 of each. Oh, that's pretty. Cool. Lemoine. Oh, that's different. Cool. That's really cool. The theater inside. Another Christmas. She'll be good. Oh, that's cool. I love that old artwork from like the turn of the century. Cute. Very cool. Then oh, stickers? Not sure. Oh, they're stickers, yeah. You can barely see how they're cut out. Those are nice. Oh wow, a lot of variety too. Cool. Oh, this is really nice. For everything you can imagine. A little printing press, I think. Very cool. Nice. Then, ooh, medieval collection of books. Time stave, I don't know what that means. They're like notched. Oh, this is just notched. A babe is born, some more Christmas. Nice. Nice, all Christmas songs. Oh, that's great. Oh, look at well, Celine didn't write it, but she sang it. Oh, that'll be cool for Christmas. Good. There's that. Then this is oh. Alright. This is in there. I don't know how you would have got it in there. Tight squeeze. These are, feels like more stickers, yeah. Oh, cool. So, like wine country stickers. And then we've got some papers. This feels like stickers too. Because This is like stickers, I think. Yeah. Well, that's cool. That's nice. Cute. Where can I get a good piano? Oh, that's pretty. Gibson Girl. Isn't the music upside down? I don't know. So confusing. That's cool. Very cool. Alright, so we'll do a little fun journaling with this, or maybe card making. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Totally missed this. I just started putting everything away and I'm like, what's that? I didn't even see it. So she usually does include a little charm. I don't know what that is. Oh! Girl gave us a little switchblade. Well, that actually is kind of sharp. Oh, my goodness. Wow, that's kind of interesting. Put that on your keychain and if anybody comes bugging you. Cool. That is sharp though. There. That's cute. Alright, thank you very much. And if you're interested in her subscription boxes, they're pretty fun. And she has 1 month, you can buy it a month at a time. Or she has like a 4-month subscription. So I'll put her links down below and talk to you later. Bye.